Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kinvitsos of Brooklyn in Sarasota. And what I'm going to show you now is the last ever look at Rivers of America. So take a look at this. So this is an end of an era. This was an original attraction or land or whatever you want to call this, which is going away forever. They're boarding up all around it. If you look down there, you have the fence going up. This is just a real shame. Even though progress goes on, this was part of American history here. And to be replaced with a Cars ride, which is an old franchise, seems crazy. They're going to do away with all this water. This year, of course, Dollywood was nominated the most beautiful park in America. Well, sometimes Magic Kingdom won that honor, but obviously with this, it's probably going to happen less often. You know, I just think about all the memories, how many people rode that riverboat. I think about when I was on Dream Squad, we used to pan for gold over there. I think about those Mike Keel boats. I mean, a lot of times, you know, people didn't go to Tom Sawyer's Island, but this was just a beautiful, beautiful part of this park. Now, trying to look at the positive, I'm going to show you something that might be a positive that you might not realize. Is once they complete this demolition, I'm going to call it, I'm not going to even call it a renovation. Once they complete this demolition, you probably don't realize this, but once it's done, the walk from Haunted Mansion to Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is going to be about 2 minutes. No one kind of realizes how close Thunder Mountain is to Haunted Mansion because they sit way in the back. But with the river gone and this area able to be connected, you'll have a very short walk over to Thunder Mountain. But to me, that's not a great concession. They're going to put a Villain's Landing down there, and nothing, no big deal. But this was just so beautiful. And you know, on the other half of it is, boy, does this look like scrambled eggs. I mean, for Disney to keep this open like this in the middle of summer, and there's people here all from around the world, and this is an American park. This is the tribute, you know, the castle in the background that Walt had for the world. Just a shame that they would just leave it like this. I mean, you got mosquitoes in here and muck on the bottom and birds eating the flies, and just a really bad look for Disney. I mean, Walt Disney would literally go insane if he saw this. Would never happen. Would never happen. But, you know, in the name of progress, I don't know what Disney Imagineers are thinking. With all the land that they have here in Florida, 47 square miles, for them to take this away seems crazy. But this is your last look at it. That was the track that the riverboat was on. And the riverboat now is not even at the Magic Kingdom anymore. The riverboat's at the marina, back behind the Contemporary, where they refurbished the ferry boats and things. There's talk that that's going to be dismantled, which is another amazing, crazy thing. You'd never imagine that happening. But yeah, look at this. All the birds in there eating the mosquitoes. Insane. Well, I'm glad I'll be able to say I enjoyed it when. So, like I said, progress is progress, but hey, look, there's a rabbit over there. Kerry's missing this. Look at the rabbit over there. Kerry. She's long gone. She's missing the rabbit. She's not much for nostalgia. Look at this. Birds having a bath in there. So as you see, that fence is going up all around, and again, you might not realize how close the Haunted Mansion is to Rivers of America, but back behind there is where Haunted Mansion is, right? You know, and it's going to make, I mean, it'll be Piston Place or Piston Pike or whatever the heck they're going to call it. Piston Place, I think. So they're going to try to incorporate the Cars thing into this Frontierland area thing. But, man, oh man. This will be the last look at it. I mean, the fence is progressing. They'll be able to take this sign down. Alligators and snakes in the area. This is all going to be concreted up. with a little bit of water here and there, but the whole thing is going to be concreted. There you go. It's funny, back in New York, I don't know what they're going to do with this beam or this track. Back when they covered up the trolley tracks back in the day, they ended up uncovering it and retarring it. People came, historians came and took pieces of the track. They could probably sell that for charity or something. I wouldn't mind having some of that. Well, farewell, rivers of America, as the sun sets. Everyone, onwards and upwards, and not to be too negative, but just I loved at this park so much. And it's almost like when something is so perfect and so good, it's hard to really improve on it, but I guess they want to improve on it. So we'll see you next time on Convicts of Brooklyn and Sarasota. Have a great night. Take care now.